Jupiter, a naturally benefic planet, will be direct in Taurus, which is Venus's sign, from February 4th to May 14th. Generally, this period will be considered auspicious, creating an overall positive atmosphere. However, on March 29th, 2025, Saturn will transit into Pisces. As soon as Saturn moves into Pisces, it will aspect Jupiter with its third aspect, creating a combination that brings some negativity. This will prevent Jupiter from fully delivering its positive results. Until March 29th, 2025, Jupiter's direct motion will bring global economic reforms, new treaties, and positive alliances. After this period, challenges will increase worldwide. Now let's discuss how this transit will affect each zodiac sign. This is based on one's moon sign. For Aries, financial growth is expected. Career advancements and new opportunities will emerge. Investments will be beneficial, leading to material comforts. For Taurus, this will be the best time of their life if utilized well. Personal growth and self improvement will occur. Career and business expectations will be fulfilled. Gemini, this period favors spiritual growth rather than financial expansion. Expenses need to be controlled. Healing from ailments will accelerate. Cancer, social circles will expand. Meaningful new connections will form. Networking will bring career benefits. Leo, career will gain momentum. Public image will improve. Promotions and recognition are likely. Virgo, religious travel will be beneficial. Education and foreign connections will bring gains. A memorable journey is foreseen. Libra, a transformative phase with life-changing experiences. Healing will take place. Family property disputes may get resolved. Scorpio, Vrishchika Rashi, need to balance personal and professional life. Marriage prospects for those seeking a partner. Growth in business partnerships. Sagittarius, focus on health and work-life balance. Need for disciplined habits to avoid health issues. Career progress, but with increased responsibilities. Capricorn, creative ventures will flourish. A period of joy, romance, and happiness. Favorable time for investments, particularly in stocks and speculative activities. Aquarius, a focus on home, family, and real estate. Emotional growth and stronger family bonds. Possibility of buying property or renovating a home. Pisces, a time of short travels and new learning experiences. Success in writing, publishing, and communication related fields. Stronger relationships with siblings and close relatives. So, this is how Jupiter's direct motion will influence each zodiac sign. Until March 29th, 2025, the period remains highly favorable, bringing expansion, prosperity, and positive developments in various fields. However, after March 29th, when Saturn begins aspecting Jupiter, challenges will arise and global uncertainties will increase. Overall, precautions to take. For Taurus, Leo, and Scorpio signs, this period will bring remarkable growth. For Gemini and Sagittarius signs, a period of self-reflection and inner healing is required. For all signs, focusing on long-term financial stability and avoiding unnecessary risks will be beneficial. If you found this analysis insightful, do like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on upcoming astrological insights. See you in the next video.